Welcome. If you need to find sent emails on Gmail that are older than a year, but you're not sure where to start, you're in the right place. In just a few quick steps, you can filter your sent folder on the Gmail app, whether you're using Android or iPhone, and see all emails you sent over a year ago. Here's a straightforward way to do it that anyone can follow. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to the right account. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. It's the one that looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. From the list of options that appear, tap on Sent. This will bring up all of the emails you've sent from this account. Don't worry if you see a long list. We're about to make it a lot shorter. At the top of your Sent folder, just under the search bar, look for the Date filter. Depending on your version of Gmail, it might say just Date or show a small funnel icon. Tap this option. Now, among the filter options, you should see older than a year or something similar. Select it. That's it. Your view will now show only the sent emails that are more than 12 months old. This approach saves you from endless scrolling and guessing. If you want even more precision, you can use search keywords like older than :1 year in the search bar. But the built-in date filter is the fastest way on mobile. So, the next time you're hunting for that important message you sent over a year ago, remember these 5 easy steps. Open Gmail, tap Menu, go to Sent, tap Date, and select older than a year. You'll find exactly what you're looking for within seconds. If you found this guide useful, consider subscribing for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.